Guys, and welcome back to the Fentech HTML class. So for today's class, we are going to be talking on entities. Now, some characters are reserved in HTML, and to display them, we have to use a special notation. For example, let's say we want to wrap this teaching with an angle bracket. Now, if we save and we view it, you will notice that the teaching is no longer there. Now, this is because the browser interpreted it as an HTML tag. So to solve this problem, we are going to use HTML entities. All these entities start with a letter like this. That's what it starts, and end with this. Now, in between these two characters, we type a few characters that determine the type of the HTML entity. So we have an entity for displaying the left hand side, which is the left angle bracket, which is LT. So instead of using this bracket, I'm going to put enough. So I'm going to use this LT, this, then still use my angle bracket and then close it. So Control S. Now let's save. Okay, so I think something is wrong with our code. Sorry for the short break. So while we are not seeing anything here, we're only seeing angle bracelet, is because of this. Since we want this bracket to show and we want to use the entities, we are not meant to add the bracket again. But first of all, let's clean up this. Yeah, so we're going to clean this and bring it here. Then we're going to also clean this and put this symbol again, and we're going to put GT. GT is for the right side. Yeah, so let's save and see what we have. So as you can see, I've successfully imputed this teaching in our two angle brackets. Now, another HTML entity is the copyright symbol. You know that copyright symbol that appears on books that are written by people. Yes, yeah. So at the end of this at GT, we can add um, copy, then this. So let's save and let's view. As you can see, the copyright symbol appeared there. Now we have so many entities, but you don't need to memorize any of them. In fact, you're not going to use 99% of them. But just in case you're curious, let me show you a complete list. So we're going to search for HTML entities. HTML entities. Yeah, so if we use this one, let's load and see. As you can see, there are a whole lot of them here. A whole lot. Look at them right here. We have the non-breaking space, we have the less than, we have the greater than, we have the ampersand, we have double quotation mark, we have the single quotation mark, and we have a lot of them. So back to our own web page and our code. Now, I haven't used any apart from the LT, GT, copy, etc. So this is all about HTML entities. Next, we are going to move into hyperlinks, and I think that will have to be in our next video, as I want to take this class step by step, bit by bit, so that we could all understand what you are doing.